In today's fast-paced world, the ability to think clearly is more crucial than ever. And that's where Rolf Dobelli's book, The Art of Thinking Clearly, comes into play. This insightful work delves into the cognitive biases and logical fallacies that often cloud our judgment and decision-making processes. Dobelli aims to equip readers with the tools to recognize these pitfalls, ultimately leading to better choices in both personal and professional realms. The book is structured around a series of short chapters, each focusing on a specific bias or error in thinking. By breaking down complex concepts into digestible pieces, Dobelli makes it easier for readers to grasp the nuances of clear thinking. The overarching theme emphasizes that our minds are not always reliable, and understanding these mental traps can significantly enhance our decision-making abilities. Clear thinking is not just an abstract concept, it has real-world implications. Whether you're making financial decisions, navigating relationships, or even choosing what to believe in the age of information overload, the ability to think clearly can lead to more favorable outcomes. By improving your decision-making skills, you can reduce stress, avoid unnecessary mistakes, and ultimately lead a more fulfilling life. Imagine being able to sift through the noise and make choices that align with your true goals and values. Engaging with Dobelli's work can be the first step toward mastering the art of thinking clearly, empowering you to navigate life's complexities with confidence and clarity. So let's dive deeper into the principles that can transform the way you think and decide. Cognitive biases. Cognitive biases are systematic patterns of deviation from norm or rationality in judgment, which can significantly impact our decision-making processes. These biases often lead us to make choices based on flawed reasoning or incomplete information, ultimately affecting the outcomes of our decisions. Understanding cognitive biases is essential because they can cloud our judgment and lead us to conclusions that may not be in our best interest. One common example is confirmation bias, which occurs when we favor information that confirms our pre-existing beliefs while disregarding evidence that contradicts them. This bias can create echo chambers, where we only seek out opinions that align with our views, limiting our understanding of complex issues. Another prevalent bias is the availability heuristic, where we rely on immediate examples that come to mind when evaluating a situation. For instance, if we frequently hear about airplane accidents in the news, we might overestimate the dangers of flying, despite it being statistically safer than driving. Recognizing these biases in our own lives is the first step toward mitigating their effects. By becoming aware of how confirmation bias or the availability heuristic influences our thoughts and decisions, we can strive for a more balanced perspective. This awareness allows us to seek diverse viewpoints and consider a wider range of information before making decisions. Encouraging viewers to reflect on their own thought processes can lead to more informed choices and ultimately enhance their decision-making skills. By identifying and addressing cognitive biases, we can pave the way for clearer thinking and better outcomes in our daily lives. Emotional influences. Emotions play a significant role in our decision-making processes, often acting as both guides and obstacles. While emotions can provide valuable insights and motivate us to take action, they can also cloud our judgment and lead to impulsive or irrational choices. Understanding how emotions influence our thinking is crucial for making more informed decisions. For instance, consider a situation where someone is feeling anxious about a job interview. This anxiety might lead them to over-prepare or, conversely, to avoid the interview altogether due to fear of failure. In both cases, the emotional state can distort their perception of the situation, resulting in poor choices. Another example is when someone is in a state of anger. They may make hasty decisions, such as quitting a job or ending a relationship, without fully considering the long-term consequences. To manage emotions effectively and think more clearly, it's essential to develop strategies that allow for emotional regulation. One effective approach is to practice mindfulness, which encourages individuals to observe their emotions without judgment. This awareness can help create a space between feeling and action, allowing for more thoughtful responses. Additionally, taking a step back to evaluate the situation logically can provide clarity, Writing down pros and cons or discussing feelings with a trusted friend can also help in gaining perspective. By recognizing the impact of emotions on our decision-making, we can learn to navigate our feelings more effectively. This awareness empowers us to make choices that are not only emotionally informed, but also rational and beneficial in the long run. The importance of simplicity. In a world filled with information overload and complex ideas, the value of simplicity in thought processes cannot be overstated. When we encounter intricate concepts or convoluted arguments, it often leads to confusion and indecision. The more complicated a situation becomes, the harder it is to find clarity and make effective choices. Embracing simplicity allows us to cut through the noise and focus on what truly matters. Seeking simple solutions to problems can be a game changer in both personal and professional contexts. For instance, when faced with a challenging project at work, breaking it down into manageable tasks can make it less daunting. Instead of getting overwhelmed by the entire scope, focusing on one step at a time fosters a sense of progress and achievement. This approach not only enhances productivity, but also reduces stress. Many successful individuals have embraced simplicity as a core principle in their lives. Take Steve Jobs, for example. He was known for his minimalist design philosophy, which extended beyond products to his decision-making processes. By prioritizing simplicity, he was able to create innovative solutions that resonated with consumers. Similarly, Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time, often emphasizes the importance of understanding the fundamentals of a business, rather than getting lost in complex financial jargon. Encouraging viewers to adopt a simpler mindset can lead to more effective problem-solving and clearer thinking. By stripping away unnecessary complexities, we can focus on the essentials, make better decisions, and ultimately lead more fulfilling lives. Embracing simplicity is not just a strategy. It's a powerful way to navigate the complexities of modern life. Decision-making strategies. Making effective decisions is a skill that can significantly impact our lives, and employing structured strategies can enhance this process. One popular technique is the 10-10-10 rule, which encourages individuals to consider the consequences of their decisions in 3 time frames: 10 minutes, 10 months, and 10 years. By evaluating how a choice will affect you in the short term, medium term, and long term, you can gain a clearer perspective and make more informed decisions. Another effective strategy is creating pros and cons lists. This simple yet powerful tool allows you to visually weigh the advantages and disadvantages of a decision. By laying out the potential outcomes, you can identify which option aligns best with your values and goals. This method not only clarifies your thoughts, but also helps to reduce the emotional weight often associated with decision-making. Gathering relevant information is crucial in the decision-making process. The more informed you are, the better equipped you will be to make choices that are beneficial in the long run. This might involve researching options, seeking advice from trusted sources, or reflecting on past experiences. Encouraging viewers to reflect on their past decisions can also be a valuable exercise. By analyzing what worked and what didn't, you can identify patterns in your decision-making process and learn from your mistakes. This self-reflection fosters growth and helps you develop a more intuitive approach to future choices. By implementing these strategies, you can enhance your decision-making skills, leading to more confident and effective choices in all areas of your life. The role of experience. Experience plays a pivotal role in shaping our thinking and decision-making processes. It serves as a foundation upon which we build our understanding of the world. However, while relying on experience can provide valuable insights, it's essential to strike a balance between trusting what we know and remaining open to new ideas. This balance allows us to adapt and grow, ensuring that we don't become stagnant in our thinking. Past experiences can often lead to biases that influence our judgments. For example, if someone has had a negative experience with a particular investment, they may develop a bias against similar opportunities in the future, even if the circumstances have changed. This can prevent them from recognizing potentially beneficial options. Similarly, someone who has consistently succeeded in a specific career path may become overly confident, dismissing alternative approaches that could lead to even greater success. Encouraging viewers to learn from both successes and failures is crucial for personal and professional growth. Each experience, whether positive or negative, offers valuable lessons that can inform future decisions. Reflecting on what worked well and what didn't can help individuals refine their strategies and avoid repeating mistakes. By embracing a mindset that values both experience and openness to new ideas, we can enhance our decision-making abilities. This approach fosters resilience and adaptability, allowing us to navigate the complexities of life with greater confidence. Ultimately, recognizing the role of experience while remaining receptive to change can lead to more informed choices and a richer understanding of the world around us. In this video, we've explored several critical aspects of thinking clearly and making better decisions. We began by emphasizing the importance of recognizing cognitive biases and emotional influences that can cloud our judgment. Understanding these mental traps is essential for navigating the complexities of decision-making, as they can lead us to make choices that are not in our best interest. By being aware of biases like confirmation bias and the availability heuristic, we can strive for a more balanced perspective. We also discussed effective decision-making strategies, such as the 10-10-10 rule and pros and cons lists. These techniques can help simplify the decision-making process, allowing us to weigh our options thoughtfully. Additionally, we highlighted the significance of gathering relevant information and reflecting on past experiences, both successes and failures, to inform our future choices. As you move forward, we encourage you to apply these strategies in your daily life. By actively working to recognize biases and emotional influences, and by utilizing structured decision-making techniques, you can enhance your ability to make informed choices that align with your goals and values. If you found this content insightful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more valuable discussions on clear thinking and decision-making. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these strategies. Together, we can foster a community that values clarity in thought and effective decision-making. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.